All right, Dog Positive here. We're here with Scooby. And Scooby is not going to win any dog shows today. Not with coat and skin like that. Scooby was just adopted by good friends of mine. And they're shy. They don't want to be on video. Dwayne, he don't have any choice. He works here, so he's on the video anyhow. But this puppy, and it's not a puppy. Looks like a puppy, but she's a little older. But she was through a rescue, and she actually has Demodex Mange. There are multiple types of mange. This type of mange, Demodex is a skin parasite that all dogs have. Demodex mange is not contagious because all dogs have these little cigar-shaped mites in their coat in very, very small numbers. But in some dogs, something happens with their immune system, oftentimes puppies getting vaccines. Those mites can multiply, proliferate, and cause this tremendous hair loss. The mites live in the hair follicles, the hair falls out, the skin gets secondarily infected, but it's not contagious. Now, the problem with Demodex is many of the products that veterinarians have used to treat Demodex over the years are no longer available. EPA and so forth can't get it. And so what Doc likes to use, you can't get either anymore. It was a product called Proliferate. But Proliferate was also recently discontinued because dogs do tend to have reactions to the it was a flea and tick control. It was really probably overkill for flea and tick, but it's a great product for Demodex. So Doc still gets it on the internet out of Europe. I just ordered it for this dog out of Israel. So you can still get it. It's a little difficult to find, but the internet, you can find what you need. So Scooby has a bacterial infection, so she's also going to be taking antibiotics. She also has a secondary fungal infection, so we're using Ketochlor shampoo. Her skin, we put it on Well-Actin. Well-Actin is an omega fatty acid supplement to help with this dry skin. There's another shampoo, a benzoyl peroxide shampoo, and she did injure her leg, so we're putting her on Rimadyl. Now, it's going to be interesting because when you guys see this dog, the next time we post a video, you will not believe it. This dog is going to look. This dog has had this for a while because the people who adopted the dog, Chris and Wayne Martin, good friends of mine, they're the ones who got Bugaboo, the three-legged pit bull from. But they were told that this dog was 3 or 4 months old because she looks only that old. But she's got all of her adult teeth in. So based on that, this dog is probably 7 or 8 months old and just has had a rough start to life. So Dog Positive, Demodex, we use Proliferate, get it online, treat this dog, and it's a lot different than sarcoptic mange. Sarcoptic mange is scabies. Scabies, Chris and Wayne got a lot of dogs. You do not want to take a dog with scabies to your house because next thing you know, all your dogs have scabies because that's very contagious, a different type of mange. That's how we roll here at the PAWS Veterinary Clinic. Bye now. Wow. Just wow. This is freaking unbelievable. Look at Scooby. This is the same dog, 7 weeks. Scooby's bored. It says YouTube shit. I've been on there before. But this dog, the video that we shot 7 weeks ago, look at this now. Look at the head. If you remember, no hair, malassezia, dermatitis, Demodex mange, and now, a mere 7 weeks later, this dog, Wayne came in today, man. I said, did you get another dog? He says, no, that's Scooby. I couldn't even believe it. This dog looks phenomenal. So that's when you get good owners who follow directions, give the dog lots of TLC, give the medication, the antibiotics, the medicated shampoo, the medication to treat the Demodex. And remember, we said this is a youngish dog, so pretty good recuperative powers, and grew hair like crazy. So every now and then Doc gets one right. Doesn't happen much, but you know, I'm teasing. And down here, this is Miller, and Miller's our Cane Corso puppy. This is Dr. Cane Corso puppy, who Wayne has also been babysitting him. So Doc didn't have the time to get some of the training done that needed to be done with a Cane Corso. So Wayne, he's into these dogs. He and I met 25 years ago when they were breeding Rottweilers. So he's got the mindset for these big male dogs. And so he's bringing Scooby by to show us. They live up in New York State. Doc, how many hours away do you live?
6.
He lives 6 hours away, and they drive 6 hours to bring their dogs to Doc Pawsitive, leader of the pack, because we just established a relationship years ago. We think alike with dogs, and they have a veterinarian up in New York as well, but when they can, they bring some of these dogs 6 hours for a visit here. And so I hadn't seen Miller in a while, hadn't seen Scooby in a while, and these guys are rocking these dogs. Bye now.